Looking to add watermark on CapCut? Let me show you how to do it in just few steps. Here, I am at the home page of the CapCut. Tap on New Project and select the video. Tap on the text and enter the text you want to create as a watermark. Tap on the styles. Now select the look for your text and keep the opacity low according to your desire. You can even adjust the size and tap on the tick mark. If you want to keep the watermark till the end of the video, drag the text. Now, place the watermark where you want to. And this is how you can add watermark on CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.